Welcome to our monthly credit monitoring service agreement page. As you read on our no obligation consultation scheduling page, for us to be able to have the consultation, answer your questions, and to help you better understand your situation, we have to have a signed agreement in place in order to be in compliance with federal regulations. We know this is uneasy for you, and burdensome for us. There is good news. We built into this agreement no obligation for you, which will allow you to get all of your questions answered while it allows us to be in compliance with this federal regulation. This regulation prohibits credit repair companies from speaking with consumers over the phone or by other methods like Zoom, Google Meet, or other virtual services prior to a service agreement being in place. Many other companies are willing to break this regulation frequently to get your business, but if they are willing to break this regulation, what other regulation or law are they willing to break? This is one of the many things that sets the Credit Dispute Center apart from the rest. When you sign the agreement, you have no obligation to continue services until you decide to move forward and make a payment for the monthly credit monitoring service, whether on a yearly or monthly renewal payment basis. After you sign the agreement below, you will notice a checkout section. There you can choose, if you are confident you will want to move forward with the service, to pay for an entire year at once, which will save you $120. This is like getting 3 months of service for free. Or, you can pay each month. If you decide to pay now for the service, you will still enjoy no obligation for the first 3 business days, or until after completion of your consultation, whichever is last. Thank you again for signing up for your no obligation consultation. As a reminder, we do have to have a signed agreement in place to be able to do our consultation. We will have to cancel your appointment if the agreement has not been signed. We look forward to meeting with you and helping you keep a watchful eye on your credit.